Today, let's dive into the world of adjectives. Adjectives are like spices in cooking. They add flavor and depth to our descriptions. Imagine describing a sunset. Instead of saying, "It's nice," you could say, "It's a breathtaking, vibrant sunset with hues of orange and pink." Let's explore some useful adjectives. Instead of big, try enormous or massive. Instead of happy, use ecstatic or joyful. These words paint a clearer picture in the listener's mind. Think about your favorite book. Describe the main character using adjectives. Is she brave, intelligent, or mysterious? Each word gives us a glimpse into her personality. Now, practice. Look around you and describe an object. Is it shiny, old, or intricate? The more adjectives you use, the more vivid your descriptions become. So, let's make our conversations colorful and engaging with the power of adjectives.